Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla day here again with some more things to talk to you about, and I have videos that I'm going to present to you that have been talked about on social media. I hope that everyone alright. Now, first things first. I am going to present a video to you that shows inside of a house. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded. According to some things that a person said in the video that I'm about to present to you, I got the understanding that a person accused the police of going inside of the house and searching the house. Now, in my point of view, inside of the house look messy. The video shows clothes and other things on the floor. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think about some of the things that you're about to see and hear in this video. See? Anyways, here's a video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think. Hold on, the sound.
Yeah. Police can deal with people, so every time when you come and deal with people, all you can do, when you mash up at the door, when you come and you see people, every time you come, people must go on a record, see you can do people house. If you're not certain, you see a pay woman, see you want to see yourself a man. You want to see yourself a man. This is like man living here, sir.
Jano, based on some things that I saw and heard in that video, viewers and subscribers, I cannot help but think about certain things. That's what I say. Yeah, but if police got search warrant to go inside of that house and search that house, then maybe whosoever owned that house might not get much satisfaction if the person or those persons make any complaint to the necessary authorities. And I'm not saying that anyone should not, I'm just saying, maybe, you see me I say, because I wonder what could have really caused something like that to happen. So if police really and truly went inside of that house, and if police really and truly searched that house, I wonder why. And if police get search warrant to search that house, it's another story that in my point of view. See? But anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. You can let me know what I think about the video that I just presented to you. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show how a person climbed down a coconut tree. Yes, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show how a person climbed down a coconut tree. See? And in my point of view, the way how the person climbed down the coconut tree is dangerous. I would not recommend anyone to do anything like that, viewers and subscribers. See? And I want to say this to each and every one. Please do not try anything that you're about to see in this video. No, please do not try anything that you're about to see in this video, but you can let me know what to think about the things that you're about to see and hear in this video. Alright? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Come out of the tree now, watch and see how him come out of the tree.
Look at that coconut
everybody
tree.
slide down, right?
Up on the height, people.
Slide down, see what I'll go on.
It's really tall, man.
The greatest climber in Jamaica.
Yeah, the person said Jamaica.
The greatest climber in Jamaica. The greatest thing this. That is it. That is it.
Man coming out of a tree like a lizard. Jano, my people, may I tell you, that's dangerous. No, and I real that's dangerous, and I would not recommend anyone to do anything like that. Look how the man climbed down out of the coconut tree. Some Jamaicans say coconut tree. Eh? No, sir. No, man. That dangerous, my people. At no time, I don't recommend anyone to do something like that. You see me I say? And you know, more have to ask you, my viewers and subscribers, a question, because I'm not Mr. Know-it-all. Is there a certified profession that is known as a tree climber? I mean, is there some form of certificate for persons who can climb tree properly? Is there some form of training? Is there such a thing as a professional tree climber? There's so much professions out there, viewers and subscribers. I don't know if there's actually a certified profession out there for tree climbers. You can let me know what you think. Tell me if you think that there is a thing out there that's such as a professional tree climber. Alright, next topic. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between a passenger and a driver of a public transportation vehicle. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video will be recorded. Now, in my point of view, it seems as if the confrontation started because the passenger said some bad words or indecent language while in the presence of children who were on the public transportation vehicle. And the confrontation escalated to a point where a passenger threatened the man who said those indecent words or inappropriate language in the presence of children who were on the public transportation vehicle. So, based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, viewers and subscribers, I would like you to tell me what you think. You see? Now, in my point of view, I think that the person was wrong to say indecent language in the presence of children, viewers and subscribers. You understand? But you can let me know what you think. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Tell me what you think.
What are you?
I'm talking to you. If you don't shut your mouth, you can get off the bus on the bus driver.
I'm talking to somebody on the phone.
Yeah, I don't want all of that. There's kids around here.
Listen to me now.
Reggie laughing. There's a little kid here. There's many little kids on this bus. I don't want to hear none of that.
So then I hear bad one.
I don't care.
They never heard bad one.
I don't care, mate.
Reggie,
listen, you got 2 seconds, yeah? Otherwise, you're getting off the bus. If you don't get off the bus ain't going nowhere. 2 seconds, please.
You hear that?
Yeah?
Listen to me.
I ain't done like New York one.
How?
I'm Indian, Jamaica.
I don't care where you're from, man.
You don't care. You should be here.
2 minutes. You got 2 seconds.
For what? For what?
Bro, I'm telling you. Shut your mouth or get off the bus. What is it going to be?
Who's talking?
I'm telling you. Shut your mouth or get
Who
off the
is
bus.
talking?
Off the bus. Get off the bus.
Well, move
If
it.
you don't get off the bus, I'm calling the police.
Call the ambulance. I'm not illegal here.
Hey, you need to go to school, man.
Listen, don't make me drag you off the bus, yeah?
You're going to drink me.
Yeah, I'm not drag you off the bus with you running your mouth in front of the kids. Shut your mouth, innit?
I'm talking to my
Shut your
friend.
mouth. Shut your mouth. One more word. One more word. I'm telling you.
Almost a man have to know himself. You can't really and truly say certain things in the presence of children. That's what I say.
Listen, don't swear in front of him. I'll knock you out myself. I'll knock you out myself.
You're going to knock me out?
Yeah, don't swear in front of him. Don't swear in front of him.
So keep
Don't
my
swear in
ears
front of him.
clear.
Don't swear in front of him. Yeah? I'm telling you once. I'll knock out the rest of your teeth. Swear in front of my unit again. Let's see what I do. Do it again. Let's see what I do. I am boss man. I own business.
Alright, but people, 2 wrongs don't make a right. Hear why I say so? You see the man who said inappropriate words in front of children who were on the public transportation vehicle, him wrong. He's wrong for doing something like that. There's no excuse like that. You should never say inappropriate words or bad words in front of any child or children. See? But you see the man who threatened to hit that man, or the man who threatened the man then, him wrong too. Because you should not preach nor do anything violent at all, much less in the presence of a child or children. So him wrong too. See me I say, so 2 wrongs don't make a right. So you tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers. In my point of view, I think that the driver for the public transportation vehicle, he handled the situation properly. That's what I think. But you can tell me what you think. I'm going to move on to another video. Now, before I present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, I want to talk to you about a video that I saw on social media. Now, I saw a video on social media that shows a man with one of his arms missing, viewers and subscribers, and based on some things that the person said in the video, I got the understanding that the person said that he had been attacked by a shark and a shark bit off one of his arms. Based on some more things that the person said in the video, I think that the person was strong to escape with his life, viewers and subscribers. See, some persons might say that the man was lucky to escape with his life as well, viewers and subscribers, because based on some things that the person said in the video, I think that the shark that attacked the man was a big one. You see? According to a news article that I read, it is said that the man who the shark attacked is a fisherman. I don't have any confirmed information as to the exact date when the incident happened, viewers and subscribers. It is said that the man was out at sea doing something when he had been attacked by the shark, and it is said that the man is from a parish that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers, it's really a sad situation, see? And sometimes I can't help but wonder if climate change causes certain fish and animals in the ocean to go certain places in the ocean that they never used to go before, or they would not venture. You see me? But you can let me know what you think. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a motor vehicle that almost fell into a gully. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded. Now, in my point of view, it seems as if the motor vehicle went off the road and almost fell into a gully. And I wondered what the driver of the motor vehicle was doing for the motor vehicle to end up in such a position. Now, based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, viewers and subscribers, I would like you to tell me, what do you think the driver of that motor vehicle was doing for the motor vehicle to end up in such a position? And please bear in mind that in this video you can hear harsh language. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe and tell me what you think.
Hit salt get lucky.
Can I see a man take Wednesday on the sale like
Now one of the wheel right there, so me see this so
Ja.
hanging up. This roller in the side. Camera.
Dusty dog. Every happenings in the pond dog.
This a man
Ja no dog.
Watch out. Yeah, no.
Thing are going out there, man.
put your money in the media, you know.
Well, that's the driver lucky. I would have said that the driver was not so lucky. What do you think, the people? And what do you think could have caused for the bus to end up in such a position? In my point of view, viewers and subscribers, I don't want to jump to no conclusion. But maybe, you know, maybe some bad judgment go on. You know what I mean? Yeah, because you have a lot of drivers when they're driving out there, you know, sometimes they make bad judgment and certain things happen. So maybe. I wasn't there, so I can't say that happened for real. So I have to say maybe some form of bad judgment go on. But you can tell me what I think, viewers and subscribers, alright? I think I hear something I'm going to leave it now. Yeah man, here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch. Dancehall Skilla.